Hey guys, it's graduation day. Hi po. Never beating the laging late allegation. 1:30 kailangan nandun na.
Early.
What time is it? It's 1:19, bro.
Siguro kaya isa.
1:17. Ito si Papa. Pa.
Hi, say hi. Hello po.
Pa. Hi ka. Show the flowers. Yay, that's the flowers. Thank you guys for watching. Ganda yung vlog. Hi, Kate. Hi. My nerdy sister. I'm kidding. Sana hindi umulan cause like, tag-ulan eh. Tag-ulan siya pero super init. Also, ang dry ng hair ko. Also, yung binook namin na hotel, pinili ko siya cause ang ganda ng interior niya. Pero, bawal pala yung camera na G7X na mag-picture. So, what's the point? Inalaw lang nila kami na once, twice.
Camera, just give a chance.
Or I have my ano pa naman like sample pics na or like inspo. Wala mo naman makuha ng phone. Pero kung sa iba talaga quality.
Care is one of the pillars of national development. Every healthy mother, every safe delivery, every recovered patient, every family educated about health contributes to a stronger and more productive Philippines. You are not only caregivers, you are educators, advocates, innovators, and nation builders.
As Brienne Arpo Genshaw, Nicole Danil Puneras, Loyalty Awardee, Denise S. Montalva.
Order ba tayo?
Yes, guys. Happy
Picture
grad.
tayo.
Happy grad. Naka-video yan?
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Our graduation day. Graduate.
Yeah. Wala na tayong bao.
Wala nang gunner.
Game 1, 2, 3. Ito ba? 1, 2,
Yay! Donna.
Ba't parang iba na yung sayaw ko? Parang papunta na ng bar dyan.
Parang may may...
Saan tayo mag-after party?
Ka?
Wow, ang art. Parang kaninang sabi lang, may extra pin ka? May extra pin ka?
May extra pin kami. Lover, okay lang. Hi,
Ang feeling. Alam mo, ang ganda ng camera ng katabi ko, yung kaibigan mo.
Anong camera niya?
DJI Osmo.
Ay, walang kikita pa na kami. Hi, guys! We're officially nurse. Ay, nurse pa lang kasi hindi pa registered nurse. Charot.
Pauso ah.
Nurse-nursean lang.
Ganda pala ng quality nito.
Picture tayo kaya ano, maganda.
Kay ate?
Ay, ito.
Nandun. Tapos wala na naman ako. Sige, naka-video. Ako din.
Wala na, naka-video na yan. Tama na.
Girl is tired. We're going
Hindi na sa bukas.
going back to
Hindi pa po.
because we're so tired.
Pero marami na rin po yung mga truck, yan, mga van, kahit ano po, yung bus lang ang hindi pa.
Bye guys.
Malalaki.
See you
Ba, truck ka na. Ako po yung mga 10 wheeler, nakapagmana na.
Guys.
We going home to our house. Welcome to our house. Welcome to our humble abode. Are you guys tired? Because I'm super tired. Like, what the hell is that? Joke. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Maybe for you. Wow.
Po. Opo.
Hindi pala tayo nakabili ng kape.
Ngayon. Magalang.
It's a vlog. We're home. Freaking home. I got strawberries and I'm watching. So freaking tired. Yeah. So watch me eat strawberry. Yeah. Paling tayo, whatever. Exactly, girl.
At maging mapayapa, maayos, mabuhay ang bawat Pilipino. Maraming salamat. Yun lang sa tabi, makulong
Ayaw.
pag binanaw sa Pilipinas.
Mama just know how I love strawberry. And just food in freaking general.
Darso. Irene Mayor.
Hey guys, so I just changed my hoodie. Cause I'm tired. I can't sleep because I have to wait for someone to go home. Look so pretty, right? Also, I did my makeup for this graduation. I'm glad I did. Like, I didn't ask for like a makeup artist na cause aside from it cost much, I just feel like I don't need to like mag-hire pa ng makeup artist. And I'm so happy that I did because I feel like I know how to do my makeup naman na. So my face na hindi pa rin super kapal and I want it like nude, something like that. So yeah, bye guys. Really thanks for watching. Have to see you again soon. Bye. Hindi pala. Ito pala naka-video na. Hi kayo. Baligtad. Yung buntot, as buntot. Lagay mo sa dito. Pag dito graduate na. Sa kabila po. Pag ganun. Yeah. Biglang kita.
Muuugay pa ako.
Bakit mo ako binibidyoan?
Video na ba yun?
Hey guys, just graduated! Hey! Ikaw naman, sayaw! Hey! Sayaw! Hi! Where are we? You're not in the swimming pool.
Come and join us.
Swimming and eating.
Pa.
Pa.
Hey guys, we're gonna swim before we check out cause our graduation is done. Ha? Magsuswimming ako. Degree holder. Diba ma?
Hi. Ganda talaga ng view.
Pa. Nakalagay record.
Change zoom, magnificent. Change zoom.
Hindi, okay na yata.
Ayan, nakalagay.
Okay. Binigyan ako.
dali pa.
Try mo lang po.
Nasa tubig ka mag-aapa. Dapat ang kita. Diyan ka lang upo. Bayan. Tawag sa ulo ko. Ayan.
Kaya. Dahan-dahan lang.
Nakatayo na tayo. Saan?
Scared! You have to hold my leg! Can you take us a picture?
Pipindutin.